Hello everyone, I'm really pleased to do my Head Teacher Heads Up assembly this week. I've got some important announcements, some things to share with you, some things that we need to all know and as a school and so on. So first of all, I wanted to say well done to our S4 to 6 students who finished their assessments over the last 2 weeks. We've been really impressed with the way you've approached them. You've taken them really seriously, you've given it a huge amount of effort, which is really, really important, and so well done. And we know that it's been challenging. That's what I guess these prelims are like, and we need to get you ready for the actual assessments in May. So really well done to you, and you can now get back into class learning and work on all the feedback that you get from your teachers. Can I also, in relation to those assessments that were in the hall and in the library and around the school, say a thank you and a well done to the S1 to 3 students in the school. The school was very calm, and the seniors were given, you know, it was a nice environment for them to be doing their assessments and exams around the place. So well done for respecting that, and you know, and for the inconvenience, I guess, around break and lunchtime. So thank you to everybody, and we look forward to the S4 to 6, you know, doing the very best they can in their exams. Want to also talk about this week is Mental Health Awareness Week, and you will be looking at that in PSE. The theme, it's a place to be, is the group who run this across the country, and the theme in your PSE lessons is going to be about growing together. So very important that you engage with that fully, and you know, and take part in the discussion and the work in your PSE classes. The final thing I want to talk about today is about our school rules and a reminder of our expectations and our values, so that we can all be the best we can be as individuals and as a school. So in terms of being responsible and ready for learning, very important, a reminder about iPads being charged, and also about not using phones in class. Now, teachers are all insisting on that, and that's really, really important, that you don't have your phone out or on during your lessons. You can't focus on your learning and that. So thank you for doing that. It's very, very important, and we're doing that for a very good reason. Okay? The other thing I wanted to talk about is the whole idea of respect, the school value of respect. It's also one of our school rules, obviously respectful. Now, a while ago, we had, before Christmas, we had in PSE, the other part of the school values that I want to talk about today and be really clear on is that of respect. Respect's our core value. Respectful is also one of our school rules. So before Christmas in PSE, the school voted on what does respect actually mean. And staff also contributed to that survey. And what everybody said, overwhelmingly, was that what respect means for us in the school just now, and what we need to make sure that we are really focusing on and getting better at, is that we use respectful and appropriate language, and we behave in a way that allows us all to learn. So we use respectful and appropriate language, and we behave in a way that allows us all to learn. That's what the school voted for. That's what we need to do. And I think that's really positive. I think it's a really positive message that we take on board as a community. And so I wanted to feed back to you that that's what you said we need to do. So we will do that. So that's the end of my message today. This is our last week before we have our February break. So keep working hard this week, folks. Keep trying your best this week, and we'll see you around. Thank you.